Hi, it's me, Helium Harley Softail Hogan, and I've decided that my new mission in life is to find a cure for the common cold. And I may be a little cat with a little brain, but I'm going to find the cure. You know why? Because Jerry has this cold. She's had colds before, rarely, but now and then. But this time, she's gone through 2 entire boxes of Kleenex in the last 24 hours. And I added those up, and that's 120 soft plus lotion Kleenexes per box, which is 240 Kleenexes, which means me lying here and her sneezing has made me pop up and down and be jostled 240 times, minimum. I don't like that much. I like it when she's nice and still, and I can snuggle up and do what I want to do. I don't like to be jostled this much, so therefore, I have a mission. And so I have to get busy in the lab and find a cure for this because kitties mustn't be inconvenienced in any way. So that's what I'm going to do.